Hello guys, it's me Zai, and today I am going to teach you guys how to speed bridge or ninja bridge like the pros do, for example Game Boy 80. So let's get started. So the first thing that you guys wanna do is make a single player world. For example, I'm gonna name this world as Speed Bridge and click on more world options, and you don't want to keep your world in default. You want to keep your world in super flat so that there is no structures or anything. So let's get started. So we are here. So the first thing that you want to do is take some wool blocks or any type of blocks you like. I'm going to take wool now. So first thing that you have to do is you have to build up, and the main step that I'm going to tell you guys when you speed bridge is you have to aim your cursor, like your crosshair, at the center of the block, not like at the top. If you aim at the top, you're not gonna speed bridge. So you need to aim at the center of the block, then click, then shift, 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 click. Like that, you have to do this. So I'm gonna do it once more so that you guys can see it. Click, shift, click, shift, click, shift, click, shift, click, shift, click, shift. Like that, you have to do it consistently, like this. Yeah, like this. If you do it consistently and you need a bit practice, it's really easy, but you need bit practice to teach this or do it consistently, like how I did. So the second point that I'm going to tell you guys is that you don't want to like flat bridge. This is called flat bridging. Like you will not go up, you will go like flat. If for example you're playing Bed Wars and you reach mid, it's like flat bridging. It's a really good target for our opponents because they can directly rush to your base and break your bed. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. So after you get consistent at speed bridging like how I did, you need to do this. Like when you place 2 or 3 blocks, you have to build up like this. Press spacebar so the enemies won't be able to get to your base easier. So you have to build like this. It's a really good strat. I have played Bed Wars for like 1 year, and this is like the really good strat that I have studied. You can build like this, and so I would recommend you guys to practice this on a server. For example, this is a really nice server. The IP is mcplaystay.net. It's a bridging server. There's like many things, but bridging is the most important thing in this server. This server needs premium account, by the way. So if you hop into this server, you can see many signs. This is different lobbies, so you can click any lobby. There's zero lag in everything lobby, so this is the best server that you can practice speed bridging or any type of bridging. So I'm going to go to this lobby. When I go there, you will reach in an area like this. So the main objective here is to bridge from here to that island, and if you build here to there, you will get a nice reward. For example, 40 emeralds or something. And like if you wanna bridge any type, I'm back. If you wanna bridge like you wanna practice bridging, you can go here. This is a really good server. I would recommend this if you wanna practice bridging. By the way, this requires a premium account. So the guys with premium account can only have access to this server. So I would recommend practicing in this server. And if you are okay, so if you are practicing in this server, and if you are done with like speed bridge, you can go to inclined over here and you can practice it over here also. I will make a tutorial on this too, but now you can practice like any type of bridging in this server. It's a really good server. I would recommend it for people who want to learn different types of bridges, because this server has like really good this server has like no lags or something, so it's a really good server. I would recommend going to this server, going to fast builder. When I go to hub, you will like spawn like over there. So you want to click the navigator and you will see the fast builder, right? Fast builder training. So you want to click that, you will reach here. There will be a lot of signs. This is a different lobbies, so you can join in any lobby you want. You cannot join this because this is premium, so you can join any type of lobby. For example, I'm gonna join this, and you can speed bridge. So and if you like my vid, please consider subscribing and liking my video, and please give a feedback of my video down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching my video, and peace.